Welcome back. In the first video, I explained some basics of the Simple Network Management Protocol, Snmp. In this second of a two-part episode of Cisco Tech Talk, I'll show you how to pull some basic information using Snmp and a Catalyst 1200 or 1300 switch. Next. To start, log into the web user interface of your switch. Select Security and then TCP/UDP Services. On this page, you'll spot the Snmp Service option. Enable it. Hit Apply to lock in those settings. Next up, go into the Snmp menu. You'll see a few choices there. To stick to the basics, jump into the Communities section and add a new community by clicking the plus button. When setting up an Snmp management station, you can opt for All or go for a user-defined setup. I'll enter a specific management station IP. I'm using IPv4. The Snmp management station is on the same network as the switch, so I'll enter the local IP address. Enter a community string that is under 20 characters. Select Basic Mode for simple switch data. You'll see there are a couple of access modes. Read only if you just want to look at the data, or read write if you plan to change values. This is like writing on the switch using Snmp. I'll select read write and keep the default view name. Hit Apply. Close that window, and you should see your new community entry on the switch. Click the red Save icon to keep these new settings after a restart. Next, it's time to configure the Snmp management station application. I'm using a browser-based one for this demo. Enter the IP address of the switch to connect to it. Click the Advanced button. Enter both the read and write community strings that you configured on the switch, along with the Snmp version. Click OK. With that done, you'll see a bunch of options in the software to grab info from the switch. To gather some standard system information, select System Description. Then pick the Snmp operation you want to use. For snagging a single piece of data for a particular object ID, go with the GET operation. Mine displays Catalyst 1300 series managed switches, which describes my switch. If you want to check the system uptime, run the Snmp GET operation for system uptime. And there you go. It shows the current uptime. To pull up the system name, select the relevant object and hit Get. All these details match what's configured on the switch. If you want to verify this, you could go into the Status and Statistics menu on the switch user interface to double check. That's it. Now you know some Snmp basics and have seen an example of how it works. Practice and expand from there, and you'll be managing your network like a pro. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.